Welcome to TechLeapart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to find minimum values on Microsoft Excel. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Excel. After open the Excel, just open up any document. Now if you want to find your minimum value or minimum number from this data, just select your all the data and then click on function. From here scroll down and find mean function. If you cannot find mean option here, just click on this arrow icon and then select all. Now you can find all the function on Excel. Now just scroll down and find mean. And that's it. Here you can see mean. Then just select it and then click on OK. Then click on OK again. And that's it. Here you can see the minimum number. You can see in this document the minimum number is 19. You can also use another method to find out minimum values. Just select any cell and then type equal, then type mean, then type bracket, then select your all the data again and then close the bracket and then press enter, and that's it. Here you can see the minimum value is 19 on this data. And that is how you can find out minimum values on Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.